Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you my new purchase from Bottega Veneta. It's something I wanted for such a long time. If you watched my previous videos, if you watched my previous vlogs, you for sure know what's inside. And you know, in order to find this item I had to use a personal shopper, and this brings me to the sponsor of today's video, Buyma. Thank you so much, Buyma, for sponsoring today's video, but more on that later. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxing, so if you're interested in any of these topics, make sure to hit the red button down below, turn on the bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's @bonjouraika. And with that said, let's unbox this. I'm very excited. So here is the box. The green box is right here. I cannot believe I found this item. Couldn't find them anywhere. It's a pair of shoes and it was impossible to find them in my size. They were completely sold out. And you know what, guys? I saved some money on the shoes because they were on sale. And you know, to be able to find them in my size, plus with the discount, it's incredible. So Buyma, thank you so much for sourcing this for me. So let me unbox this item first, and then I'll tell you more about Buyma, how it works, my experience buying from them, what they do basically. So we've got the beautiful green Bottega Veneta box. By the way, do you say Bottega Veneta or Bottega Veneta? Because a lot of people say differently. Anyway, here we've got two dust bags. They're so thick and such high quality. Then care booklet, and now oh, they look so perfect. Ta-da! So you can't really see, but let me take them out of the box. So the shoes that I got are this super cool Bottega Veneta slides. They are so hot right now, so popular. They make them in so many different colors, so many beautiful bright colors. And you know, I didn't want anything crazy. I really wanted a black pair of sandals because I don't really have any, and to me this is such a classic piece. And I think they're called the padded sandals, but here's the full name. It says quilted embossed lagoon Napa. They're in black color. I got them in size 37.5, and I think they run true to size. It's Italian sizes, so they're usually true to size. The quality of this leather is amazing. They're so freaking soft. They're buttery soft. I swear I haven't touched anything like this before. Even Chanel lambskin isn't as soft as this one. I swear. It hurts to say this, but it's true. They are amazing, and they have this rubber sole as a protection, so I don't need to put anything here, like any treatment or anything. They already have some, which is amazing. I cannot wait to start wearing them outside, and I'm going to show you some mod shots of how I would style the shoes. I also have a matching padded cassette bag in the same black color, and that was the reason I went for the same slides in black as well, so I could wear them together as a set. I think they would look so cool as an ensemble. And now let me tell you more about Buyma and my experience purchasing from them. So basically, Buyma is a huge platform full of different personal shoppers from around the world, different countries in the world. So they have a lot of items in stock, a lot of different brands that I wasn't aware of. So whenever you're looking for something that's already sold out in your size, for example, or just in general the color you want is sold out, you can always count on Buyma, because personal shoppers there are amazing and they can source you literally anything. And I never used a personal shopper in the past because, you know, I don't really know any personal shoppers that I can trust. That's number one. And it's always scary, you know, to trust someone over Instagram who you never worked with before. Number two, I know that they charge you at least 10% fee of the price of the item, and plus you need to pay for shipping as well, which is a lot of money. It all adds up, and the item ends up being so much more expensive than what it is in store. And you know, This what repelled me from buying from personal shoppers all the time. I thought to myself, well, if I cannot find it myself, then it's probably just not meant to be, because I'm just that greedy person who doesn't like to overpay for something that's already so expensive to begin with. And you know, with Buyma, it was a complete different experience. So first of all, I scored them on sale, so they were under retail. I think the price of this slides was 680 USD, which is a lot less expensive than what they actually are in store. In Swiss francs, I think that's around 640, 650, but online they retail for I think around 800 Swiss francs, and you know, the difference is pretty big. And usually with Bottega Veneta, they never go on sale anymore, especially something like this, something so popular. And on top of that, I could not find this item in my size. And to order the item from a personal shopper on Buyma is very easy. So you basically go to the website, you type in the name of the item you're looking for, then you have a list of everything they have available from different personal shoppers with different prices, and you can always go through them and see the one that suits your needs, basically, maybe the price that is most attractive. So I managed to find these sandals on sale. They were 24% off from that personal shopper, and in my size I was like, heck yes, I'm gonna get them. And then you just need to send a direct message to the seller. You need to contact the seller and ask them for availability. If the item is available, you just add it to your cart and pay. And even if they don't have the item you're looking for listed on the website in the color you're looking for example, you can always send a photo of the item you're looking for, and then the personal shopper will get back to you if he or she will be able to source it for you. And usually they answer within a couple of hours. In my experience, it was 3 hours only, and I got the reply from the personal shopper, and she was very polite, very friendly, very helpful. And yes, I just placed my order, and I placed it pretty late at night, and it was already shipped out the next day, and I received it within the next 2-3 working days, and they sent it via DHL. I didn't have to pay any shipping fees. It was free international DHL express shipping. Like, come on, really? It's so expensive usually. So yes, I am just so satisfied with the service. And of course, everything you buy with Buyma is 100% authentic. They authenticate everything. They verify the personal shoppers that are on the platform. They verify each item before it's been shipped out to the buyer. So it's all very secure. To me, this is the most important thing when I buy from a personal shopper, knowing that there are so many frauds right now. Finding a platform or a personal shopper that you can trust is extremely difficult, but with Buyma I felt 100% safe. And of course, I thought of you guys, and I asked for a coupon code that you can use on Buyma website, and I will put the code here on the screen and also in the description box, as well as the link to Buyma's website. Make sure to check them out. Once again, thank you Buyma for sponsoring this video. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!